Hey guys, welcome back to Practice Easy English. I'm Ryan, and today we're talking about something everyone feels but rarely understands.
And I'm Emma. Today's topic is about your thoughts and how they affect your daily life.
Have you ever felt tired even when you didn't do much all day? Like your body is fine, but your mind feels completely exhausted.
Yes, and sometimes everything feels heavy for no clear reason. Even normal days start to feel stressful and confusing.
That's because your thoughts are constantly running in the background, and you don't even realize how much they affect your mood.
The truth is, you cannot control everything in your life, but you can always control your next small action.
Even something simple like standing up, breathing slowly, or walking a bit helps. These small actions can interrupt negative thinking patterns.
It doesn't fix your whole life instantly, but it helps your mind feel lighter in that moment.
Your mind is like a garden that is always growing something. Whatever you feed it will become stronger over time.
If you feed it negative thoughts, stress and fear will grow automatically. But if you feed it positive thoughts, your mind becomes calmer.
That's why small daily habits matter so much. Even one positive thought can slowly change your mindset.
Overthinking is one of the biggest problems for many people, especially when everything becomes quiet at night.
Your mind starts creating problems that don't even exist, and suddenly, small things feel very big and scary.
That's why you need to bring your focus back to reality. Ask yourself what you can actually control right now.
And everything else? You slowly learn to let it go, because not everything deserves your energy.
Big goals are good, but they can sometimes feel overwhelming. That's why small and simple goals are more powerful.
Like walking for 10 minutes, learning something small, or talking to a friend. These small steps build consistency and confidence.
When you repeat small actions daily, your life slowly starts improving. Change doesn't happen suddenly, it happens step by step.
You don't need a perfect life to feel peaceful. You just need a calm mind that knows how to handle thoughts.
Start with one small positive habit today, and slowly your mindset will begin to shift in a better direction.
Take care of your thoughts, because they shape your life. We'll see you in the next episode.
Stay positive, stay calm, and keep learning English with us. This is Practice Easy English.
We'll see you next time on Practice Easy English. Bye-bye.